Adulthood begins around 20 years old and has three distinct stages: early, middle, and late. Each stage brings its own set of rewards and challenges. By the time we reach early childhood, 20 to early 40s, our physical maturation is complete, although our height and weight may increase slightly. In young adulthood, our physical abilities are at their peak, including muscle strength, reaction time, sensory abilities, and cardiac functioning. Most professional athletes are at the top of their game during this stage. Many women have children in the young adulthood years, so they may see additional weight gain and breast changes. Middle adulthood extends from the 40 to the 60. Physical decline is gradual. The skin loses some elasticity, and wrinkles are among the first signs of aging. Visual actuality decreases during this time. Women experience a gradual decline in fertility as they approach the oneness of menopause, the end of the menstrual cycle. Around 50 years old, both men and women tend to gain weight in the abdominal area for men and in the hips and things for women. Hair begins to thin and return gray. Late adulthood is considered to extend from the 60s on. This is the last stage of physical change. The skin continues to lose elasticity, reaction time slows further, and muscle strength diminishes. Smell, taste, hearing, and vision, so sharp in our 20s, decline significantly. The brain may also no longer functioning at optimal levels, leading to problems like memory loss, dementia, and Alzheimer's diseases in late years. Because we spend so many years in adulthood, more than any other stage, cognitive changes are numerous. In fact, research suggests that adult cognitive development is a complex, ever changing process that may be even more active than cognitive development in infancy and early childhood. Researchers have identified areas of both losses and gains in cognition in older age. Cognitive ability and intelligence are often measured using standardized tests and validated measures. Psychometric approach has identified two categories of intelligence that show different rates of change across the lifespan. With age, systematic declines are observed on cognitive tasks require self-initiated, effortful processing without the aid of supporting memory cues. Older adults tend to perform poorer than young adults on memory tasks that involve recall of information, where individuals must retrieve information they learned previously without the help of a list of possible choices. For example, older adults may have more difficult recalling facts such as names or contextual details about where or when something happened. What might explain these deficits as we age? As we age, working memory or our ability to simultaneously store and use information become less efficient. The ability to process information quickly also decreases with age. This slowing of processing speed may explain age difference on many different cognitive tasks. Some researchers have argued that inability functioning or the ability to focus on certain informations while suppressing attention to less pertinent informations declines with age and may explain age difference in performance on cognitive tasks. Finally, it is well established that our hearing and vision decline as we age. Longitudinal research has proposed that deficit in sensory function explain age difference in a variety of cognitive abilities. Fewer age differences are observed when memory cues are available, such as for recognition memory tasks or when individuals can draw upon acquired knowledge or experience. For example, older adults often perform as well, if not better, than young adults on tests of word knowledge or vocabulary. With age often comes expertise, and researchers have pointed to areas where aging experts perform as well or better than younger individuals. For example, older typists were found to compensate for age related declines in speak by look further ahead at printer text. There are many theories about the social and emotional aspects of aging. Some aspects of healthy aging include activities, social connectedness, and the role of a person culture. According to many theorists, including George Valiant, who studied and analyzed over 50 years of data, we need to have and continue to find meaning to our lives. For those in early and middle adulthood, meaning is found through work and family life. These areas relate to the task that Erickson referred to as generativity versus intimacy. Generativity versus intimacy. As mentioned previously, adults tend to define themselves by what they do, their careers. Earnings peak during this time, yet job satisfaction is more closely tied to work that involves contact with other people. Is interesting, provides opportunities for advancement, and allows some independent. Then it is to salary. How might being unemployed or being in a dead-end job challenge adult well-being? If you have liked this video, then please subscribe this channel for further video in future.